What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is in the house. Actually came yesterday. I passed up the FedEx man on my way to work after being here all day waiting on him. He finally decided to come as I was leaving out going to work. So here it is. I only picked up the Flip this year. Normally I'll pick up the Fold, but since I picked up this bad boy right here, the Google Pixel Fold, I'm happy with my Fold life right now. So I got this in the graphite color. This also comes in mint, cream, lavender, gray, blue, green, and yellow. And you can pick those up there. Now, I got the free upgrade here. I only paid $50 for this phone with a trade-in. They upgraded me to the 256 gigabyte version for free. And this has a dynamic AMOLED 6.7 inch display. The resolution on it is 2640 by 1080. And it also is 120 hertz refresh rate, 426 ppi. Now the cover display on here is something that they have changed, and I like it. I'm going to like it, I think. It's a 3.4 inch display, Super AMOLED, 720 by 748, and it's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Now, it's only 60 hertz. You get 8 gigabytes of RAM. Like I said, 256 gigabytes for storage. Android 13. You got a 3700 milliamp hour battery. You got the cameras on the back are 12 megapixel wide f1.8. You got another 12 megapixel ultra wide f2.2. And the front camera is going to be 10 megapixels wide f2.2. Now, this is IPX8 water resistant, and the weight of it is 6.60 ounces. So in the box, they kind of give you an indication of the color. Now I gotta be honest, I've seen a few other unboxing of this color, and there's something about it that I'm not feeling. So we'll see how that goes. This side you got Galaxy Z Flip 5. Nothing up here, and then you got Samsung there, and then on the back you got your specs and stuff. So let's go ahead, get into the box. They do have these little pull tabs. Now, I picked up several other things. I got the Watch 5 Classic. I picked up the Tab S9, the regular Tab S9. I didn't get the Ultra. And I also got some earbuds as well. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So we all know inside of this box, there's not going to be much in here. You get your SIM ejection tool, and you get some paperwork in here. So I'm not even going to go open that up. And then here's the phone. So I saw a couple of my other YouTube creators out there that I like to watch open this, unbox this, and I didn't like the back of it, man. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't like the back of it. But we'll see how it looks to me in person here. And here it is. So let's get this little sticker off the back. All right, so here it is. So right off the bat, the back is the graphite color, but it's glossy. When I saw this on other videos, I didn't like it. I thought it was going to be like a more matte color on here. So you do have these shiny glossy sides on here. I saw Mr. J.L. Williams video. He has the matte. I kind of like that. But here it is. It doesn't look bad. This color doesn't look bad. But I'm going to have to put a skin on this, or it's going to be in a case most of the time. But that right off the bat, just not setting well. Very thin. You got your cameras here. Those are the two 12 megapixel cameras. You got your flash and your display here, the 3.4 inch display. Going around it, you got your volume up and down, rocker, fingerprint, and power button right there. You got your speaker, charging port, 2 microphones. Got your antenna here, and your SIM card tray right there. On the top, you do have a microphone right there. And that is pretty much it, guys. Very thin, lightweight, feels good. Here's the display. Let's look at that crease. There's a crease there. You got your camera right there. That's your 10 megapixel. And then there's the first fold on it. Everybody's talking about the decrease in the gap right there. Here's your hinge. Got a little Samsung branded on it. And feels good. I'm glad I got this, man. It's just the color that I'm not really sure about, but feels good in the hand so far. And just looking at it, man, it's nice, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and power this up and put my information in, then we'll come right back. There's your earpiece right there as well. If it has any power, let's see if it has power. Now I'm still waiting on my Watch 5 to come in, but I do have, like I said, I got the Buds 2 Pro right here. And I also have the regular Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And I'll tell you guys why I didn't go for the bigger tablets and the unboxing on those. So I'm going to go ahead and put my information in and come right. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have put some information in. I haven't signed into my Google account, but here's the front display. If you tap on it, as you guys see, you can wake it up, or you can double tap and wake it, put it to sleep as well. Swipe this way. These are my messages here. I can clear them off. I swipe down from the top. These are my quick toggles and things here. And then to get in, I can also open the camera up here. Just by opening, as you guys see. Right there, that's how you get to your camera. Swipe this way. I'm going to go ahead and unlock it. I did set up my fingerprint. So this is your widgets. You get a calendar widget, the weather, alarms, and like a health widget there. Now you can download more of those as well. So if I long press, this is where I can change the wallpaper right here. You got several different wallpapers, or you can use your own wallpaper. Like I said, on this, you can download more widgets, or you can get the good lock and be able to run different apps as well. So if you pinch, you can. This is a way to get to all of your widgets at one time, just by pinching, and then you can go back just by swiping up. So this little display is pretty bright as well, and I like it. So that's going to be something different. And then opening the phone up, this is one of the wallpapers that it came with. You're going to have your normal stuff right here. Like I said, I haven't signed in to my Google. I haven't even changed this to the swipe gestures yet down here at the bottom. So let's take a look at some of the apps that are on here, what they have. So you got your Google stuff here. You're going to have your Microsoft stuff. Let's go ahead and get back out of that. You got your Samsung apps here as well. Calculator, calendar, camera, clock, contacts, Facebook. So you do have some bloatware. Galaxy Store, Galaxy, Game Launcher, Internet, Messaging, Netflix, and so on and so forth there, guys, as you guys see. Let's go back. And then you got YouTube Music right there. And then swiping down, here are all your quick toggles. The normal stuff here. Airplane mode, mobile hotspot, link to Windows, stream recorder, quick share, smart view, nearby share, just stuff like that. I've already put it in dark mode. And then here's your settings menu here. Let's take a look at, see how much storage. Now earlier I said I got the they upgraded me to the 256. They actually upgraded me to the 512. So I misspoke on that. And you guys can see I haven't loaded anything out on here at all. I'm not even signed in. And I got 453 gigabytes out of the 512. So that is how much it is using. And then let's go to the About. And as you guys see out of the box, this is running One UI 5.1.1, Android 13, May 1st, 2023 Google system update. And then for Android, you got July 1st, 2023. So that is where we are as far as that. And yeah, man, so this is pretty much it. Let's go ahead and take a look at it next to the phone that I'm supposed to be trading in. I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but here it is next to my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So you guys see pretty much the same height, but it's definitely not going to be as wide as the S23 Ultra. But it does feel pretty good in the hand. So not as thick. This is a thick phone right here as well. And the display looks good. To say that it's a 1080p display, doesn't look bad at all right there. Now, I'm supposed to be trading this one in. Don't know how I feel about that either, but you know, I always trade in, and when the next one come around, I trade in. So that's how I stay in the game. So here it is. I like it so far. Only thing I don't like is this glossy, shiny back on here. I thought it was going to be like a more of a matte look to it, but it looks good. And it's a fingerprint magnet already off the bat. But I have screen protectors already here. Cases are on the way. So my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. More videos to come on this. Will H. I'm out.